My name is Marcellus Winslow. I am an electronics low voltage technician here at White Memorial Medical Center, Clinical Engineering Department. I work with business support here at White Memorial, and business support consists of human resources, patient business office, many areas. In particular, electronics and clinical engineering, we work together with information systems hand in hand in the facilities a lot. The clinical staff here at White Memorial depend on business support departments like clinical engineering and others to support them behind the scenes, making sure that their job goes as smooth as possible, allowing them to do God's work and to take care of our patients, because the most important thing is to take care of our community and our patients here. White Memorial very much so has an emphasis on technology. And that's important, especially in the 21st century. We're at the forefront of technology, especially imaging. Our whole scope of work is dealing with high technology systems that require maintenance, and it's a very challenging job. That's why I really enjoy working here at White Memorial. I do God's work by working with my hands, I'd say. It's critical that we take care of the patient's equipment, and I work with a lot of life safety equipment, and it's important that we do the best possible quality job, and God will bless us to do the best job we can.